Today, we will explore the 7 wonders of the world. Our drone is ready. Let's fly and explore.
Here we go!
This is the Great Wall of China.
It winds across mountains for a very long distance.
Look at the towers and the amazing view.
The wall follows the shape of the land.
Now we are visiting Petra.
Petra is a city carved into rock.
Wow. Look at the giant treasury.
Its walls and columns were cut from stone. This is Christ, the Redeemer. It stands high above the city.
From here, the view is incredible.
Now we fly to Machu Picchu.
Now we fly to Machu Picchu.
This ancient city sits high in the Andes Mountains. Look at the stone buildings and green terraces. It feels like a city in the sky. This is Chichen Itza.
This famous pyramid was built long ago.
It stands tall in the heart of the jungle. This giant arena was built in ancient Rome.
Look at the huge arches and seating levels.
The Colosseum still stands after so many years.
The Taj Mahal.
It is famous for its beauty and symmetry. Look at the big dome and tall minarets. Every side looks elegant and peaceful.
We have now visited all 7 wonders.
Let's see them again in a fast FPV journey.
The Great Wall of China.
Petra.
Christ, the Redeemer. Machu Picchu.
Chichen Itza.
The Colosseum. The Taj Mahal.
Can you name all the wonders?
Some wonders are in mountains, some in deserts, and some in cities. The world is full of amazing places to explore. Which wonder would you visit first?
These wonders are found in different countries around the world.
Travel helps us learn about history, culture, and beauty.
Thank you for exploring the world wonders with our drone.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.